10 hypnotic words that I love to use in my inductions as deepeners. Okay, this is going to allow people to go super, super deep into hypnosis. All right, first one is probably the most widely used word in an induction, and that is relax. That's right. As a matter of fact, as you're watching this video and you're listening to me, I want you to just let your shoulders drop down and relax. That's right. Not much to say here about relax. We all know what that means. As I go through these 10, I will share with you how to actually use them, because it's not necessarily the words themselves, it's also how you say it, right? So I can say, hey, I want you to relax right now and just get nice and relaxed. Well, that's not relaxing. It's relax. That's right. All right. Next is deeper and deeper. That's right. Now, here's how you use deeper, and pay attention because this is key. When you notice someone is breathing in and they breathe out, on the out breath is when you say deeper. Now, if you do this incorrectly, meaning when they breathe in and they expand, and you say deeper then, it's going to feel off. So you want to be able to use this as again, you're breathing in, you're expanding your lungs. As you breathe out, you're contracting your lungs. You're kind of going inwards. Well, what is deeper? It's allowing you to go inwards, to go deeper. So use that word with the proper breathing and allow people to go super deep. Number 3 is calm. Now, what's important as you do an induction, as we weave all of these in together, and as you let your shoulders drop down, that's right, and just let them drop down even deeper. And as you let your shoulders drop even deeper, you feel a sense of calm, relaxation flowing through your body. Hit the like button if you feel super relaxed right now. Does that feel good? All right. You came here for a good time, didn't you? Number 4, slowly. All right. Now remember, it's not relax, deeper, calm, slowly. It's relax, deeper, calm, slowly. Now, when I like to use slowly, I will use slowly before the words of what I'm going to say. So as an example, instead of saying close your eyes slowly, I'm going to say slowly close your eyes. And here's why. If I say close your eyes slowly, so let's test this really quick, okay? So I want you to close your eyes slowly. And notice how my first command, which is close your eyes, you might have just went, okay? But if I say slowly close your eyes, now before the actual command to close your eyes, I'm describing to you how I want you to close your eyes. Okay, is this making sense? So anytime you're going to give somebody a direction or an action to take or a command, we always want to put the, what are these called, adverbs, before what we're telling them to do. Because if you say close your eyes slowly, they now have to go back, or at least in their head, they have to go back and do it. I'll give you another example. Let's say you're selling like a real estate program, okay? And one of the things you do is you help people make money. So you can say to them, hey, my program is going to help you make money quickly. And what happens is when I say make money, you have a certain internal representation of what that means to you. And then when I say make money quickly, now you have to go back and recreate another internal representation of what that means. Now, if I say my real estate program is going to help you quickly make money, now your mind just gets that first internal representation of what that means to you. So always put these words before what you're going to tell people to do, okay? And the words that end in ly, I think they're called adverbs. I always forget. Okay, number 5, soften. Doesn't that feel good? Just to soften yourself up and relax. And just allow that calm feeling to flow through your body. I know you guys didn't come here to fall asleep today, so I'll keep it light, okay? If you could write these, okay, pause it, screenshot it, whatever you gotta do, write these in the comments. So you can just come back to them. You don't have to watch the whole video again and go, what were those 10 deepeners Dom was talking about? And then also people that are coming after you can see what they are and they kind of shortcut it, okay? So write those in the chat, pause the video, and come back. All right, let's do this. Number 6, let go. And I'll even double it up. Let go. Now, just like deeper, I will use let go on the out breath. So it's, and just as they're breathing out, let go. And let's say they breathe in again. And I'll say it again, let go. All right? What this is doing is, again, it's allowing them to let go of the stress, let go of the worry, let go of the tension, and really allow them to be present and relax in that moment, okay? Number 7 is basically same as let go, is release, right? Release any tension, any stress, any worries. Release the blockages that has been holding you back. That's right. All right. Number 8 is peaceful. Peaceful, calm, relaxation. Now, just like the word slowly, I can also add an ly at the end and put it before the things I tell people to do. So I want you to just peacefully sit back and relax and slowly close your eyes. You see the difference there? All right. Number 9 is drifting. Drifting. Now that's how I say it when I do my inductions. It's not like drifting, it's drifting. Drifting. And again, if you can pair this with the breathing, and you know, one of the things that will help you hypnotize people is when you go into trance yourself while you're doing the hypnosis, you really begin to start to use your intuition on where to use the right words, how long to stretch it out, what tonality to use. You really get in this flow and people will feel this like magical experience with you, okay? The other thing with the word drifting is it gives a sense of almost like you're floating, right? And that's actually the next word. But it's a sense of like, oh, I'm just drifting, I'm floating, I feel light, I feel weightless, I feel like a feather, right? Just drifting and floating, which is number 10 is floating. I love floating because when you use this word, especially in the right place, like this isn't a word I would use very quickly in the induction. I would use this a little bit more like once you can tell somebody's relaxed, you're just floating, floating. It really makes people feel like they're floating. It's like, oh, I'm in a float tank or I'm floating down the river, and they just feel like this sort of just bliss of floating, okay? So again, start weaving these in, and again, type these in the chat and let me know what was 1 or 2 of your favorites you're going to start to use, and if you could, hit the like button for me. Now, if you're new to hypnosis, or even if you've had experience with the hypnosis, you're like, Dom, I would really love to learn your techniques and to go deeper into this and really help myself and help others create success. There's going to be a link down in the description for my free hypnosis training where I give you the basics, 101 hypnosis. I also teach some hypnotic language pattern and some other really cool stuff. So get access to that training. See you guys in the next video.